Oh, she calling me. Hello?
Hello? Yeah.
Oh, hi, Mama. Yeah, I'm just trying to get clarification on certain things. Do you know King's brother? I think his name is JJ.
Yeah, I know who JJ is. Yeah, I know who that is.
So this is the story he telling me, right? He told me that because I took his phone and I searched it, and that's how I got to your message. He told me that you are JJ's girl and you came to see JJ and JJ's phone was dead. So that's how JJ used his phone to text you. But I'm like, the girl said King in the message.
It was King. JJ trying to stick up for King on some other shit. But for me, because I know what I did, and not because I knew y'all was together, but I knew what I did was wrong, and I apologize. But JJ is lying. Like, I don't fuck with liars. And I don't know why he tried to stick up for King.
No, King is the one who's telling me that, not JJ. King is trying to say that.
No, King is lying. No, because King got me over to his house and everything.
Yeah, he's saying that you came to see JJ. But I'm saying to him, then okay, if she's trying to see JJ and JJ's phone is dead and she's texting you to see JJ, why does she put King in the message that you nutting me? Then he's talking about, oh, it's a prank. She's 16 years old and she's trying to prank me. How does a 16-year-old get your phone?
First of all, I'm not even 16. I'm 19 years old. And King, I literally sent you the screenshot of when he got me a lift and everything.
And you meet him at his house.
Yes.
That was a month ago.
Yes.
That was when we were mad. We were vexed for real a month ago because he just came back around.
Yeah, you can even, because if I would have added my girl cousin in the car, I was literally in King bed when I called her. And then she was like, who you with? And I said King. She know King and JJ. She used to talk to one of them, and her homegirl, her best friend used to talk to King. One of them, I don't know, but yeah.
So what makes you and King like not talking or linking up no more?
I don't know, because I be seeing him with you, and I don't want to be disrespectful. I'm not that type of person to be disrespectful or rude. Like, I give people their space. I don't be on that messy shit or that get into drama. I don't like all that.
And the fact that he fucking you raw, it could be something he doing with everybody. Fucking girls raw. Yeah. Okay, Mama, thank you, because I don't want to spoil your night. I don't want to spoil your night.
It's okay.
All right, I'll text you.
Okay.
So King I try tell me say I'm brother woman. Yeah, try. I'm glad me not fuck King since him come back and me have a ear pussy. From King come here, I don't fuck King. Ask him. From him come, I don't look on him. I don't look on him. I don't lay down with him. It's like my spirit just. You see, I can't read people mind, bro. I know when a man do things. From the see me, I go to Jesus. I say I like Jesus. My mind slowly turned from King. The flirt, you see the same girl where you remember the girl where Jaden had on the live the nights? And me jump. The day when Jaden had the girl on the live, not Jada, one night, yeah. Every time him dey on live with the girl there, him a flirt and she bend over the bed. King come here and I don't even kiss King pan him lip. Me and King don't even kiss. And all on King there now. All on King there. Me and King don't fuck. Me and King don't kiss. I don't interested for kiss King. Make him tell you. I don't interested for kiss King. I don't me and ever since King come here, me and King don't even lay down and hug up in a bed. Last night, I got on my bed and him come in and hug. I'm not interested for all game. Because I come like my mind does a turn from you. A different man in my eyesight. Now what Jesus me want. Because I know you do something. Alright then. Alright then. You said the girl I tell lie. Alright, I could go in some TikTok message now. Going to some TikTok message. The girl not telling a lie. I believe that girl 100%. I'm gonna go. Come and send them to myself. Me smart. Me screenshot them and send them to myself. And I'm not the only one him give promising ring. Every girl him date him give promising ring. Him like a freak. Another girl. Every girl him date him give them promising ring. I'm not the only girl he give promising ring. This was in his phone. Him get other girl promising ring too. See there?
Diamonds dancing like who? Diamonds dancing like who? Like so.
I'm not gonna show the girl's face though, cause she ain't do me shit.
Diamonds dancing like who?
Michael.
I'm not gonna show the girl face. Hold on. Wait. Let's go to TikTok. Okay then, alright. As I said, the girl I tell lie upon you. Alright. Let's read some TikTok messages then. This is September 21st. September 21st. And I don't care how long in a September because me ain't that talk, me in a relationship. Don't be in love, don't be involved in me only messy shit. I miss you, baby, and laugh out loud. What messy shit I be chilling? You good? Trust. No, you don't be chilling. I be seeing you're famous a little. Laugh my ass out. So that's how I seen you. I seen your name with a number, I don't know what it is, and a whole bunch of BS. You with his girl came up. Man, I don't understand these American slang, you know. No, you don't. Don't lie, Lemo. You never took me serious, but miss you too, Big Ed. This is what he said. Look what he typed. Because I don't be understanding these short ass slang. Make something seem, just blogger page is trying to make something seem what is not. So the blogger page then put me up and make it look like it is something that is not. Barely be on social media and I wouldn't put you on no. What is BS? Baby, you too pretty for that. I don't know what that meaning. Okay. Alright. That was September 21st. Hold on. Me give him 20 minutes for leave or me calling the police for get him out. Him name the depend no blood clot. Wait call. Him name the depend shit. Gotta find the other one. I send some to love. Love of the rest. I send some to love. There is another one when he telling a girl that to swing to Tampa and let me show you something. I send some to love. I'm going to tell love to send me them. May I fling what the ring there for come out and go on. Explore out of my place tonight. I have fuck girl without condom. Yes, a nasty boy and I wonder pussy just a kick off from what year when me used to good. I'm glad how you come round me this day. I don't even look upon him. I don't kiss him. The least me do a hug. I don't fuck him and I don't kiss him. You think I don't know that something go? You think me a fool? You think me a fool? You think me just come on the internet and just start flirt with a man who me like just so? Uno sister from what year me not no respect for you. Every night at Jesus me ask for. Come me slowly a turn from you. The girl not tell no lie. Me ask you a question. The messages them when me show no. The messages them when me show no. And the girl were up on the phone a while ago. Oh, you believe? I'm gonna block you. I'm gonna block you from the phone. The girl not tell no lie because you are gonna say are your brother girl. It's not your brother girl. If I your brother girl, why the girl need for text with your name? Why the girl got text with your name? King, did you not in me on your clip but get plan B to be glass? Cause I ain't on birth control. Just be glass and get one. Gotcha. You home? Getting this puppy. I'm still in Tampa. I want to show the girl number. This is when him send the lift fare. Can't see it. Resend it. See where my lift ride is. I see it. Bet. Outside. September 24. My cousin gonna pick me up around 12-ish. So I just don't understand. If it's your brother girl, why the fuck she calling your name in message? And why your brother having such a long conversation in your phone? Because Fim phone dead and him could have turn on Fim phone. And you buy a girl a ring. Every girl that talks to you, buy them a ring.
Diamonds dancing like who?
Michael.
Every girl that dates, you're gonna give them a ring. Every girl that dates, you give them a ring. You're 20 minutes for leave still. I'm gonna call the police them. You can't go and come my eyes done depend on next man. I don't like him, I don't kiss him, I don't when me dep on my bed. When me dep on, me just text him. I'm calling 911. When me there when me dep on the bed, me there near the edge and him the down there, so him can't touch me. Him can't touch me. Me there at the front and him the down there, so him can't touch me. Him can't stay in a me blood clot place. Hotel and motel there. Him can't go rent a hotel, him have money cash. Him have money cash. I don't give a fuck. Leave. Call the girl where fuck for come rescue you. Alright, I'ma block you. How she found out? May I tell you how I find out? Oh, if you did up on my live since night, you'd have to say, me did wash my face in the bathroom. My phone did up on 1%. I said to you people, them say, I'll come off, because I feel sleepy. And I try rank and nothing not going. So I say, until I get late and we want to sleep. So I say, I'll come off. Soon tomorrow, I'm a phone there 1%. It's when I come out of the bathroom, I see him phone open on the bed, put on so. As soon as me take it up, and like instead I watch one girl Instagram story, I think of my phone, you know, because I hear like a one Instagram story and the music I play, the story just a skip so. So when I go, come I think of my phone, come I think of my other phone. So when I go, I realize it's a film phone. So same time I take it up now for start look. And same time I come and take the phone from me. You know I like nobody touching body, so I start to grab off my body and in hood for kind of make him move. I try go in the bathroom for lock myself in the bathroom, but I realize that my bathroom door not have the knob on it. I just pull it and go in. So I come out of the bathroom and try to run go in at the closet. The closet door still not have no knob on it neither. Just push and lock. So I say, alright, I know if you have fax at the bathroom downstairs, I have one. So I come downstairs and me and him truckle down and I try to take the phone and I give him a try to jog off and hood so I get it. And when I talk to him, I just spin the little lock on the door because I know say once I shut it, him can't open it. And I spin the little knob first while I push him off and just lock the door and I just start searching. I just start going on the phone. I just start going there. And I just start search everything. And while I search it, I screenshot them and send them to my phone and I send them to Love phone. I screenshot it and send it to my phone and I send it to Love phone. Then give me 3 different stories. One of them, you tell me say the girl I try to run one prank on him and I one girl from TikTok, but how she get your number? The other one, him say I'm brother girl and feed the brother phone did dead and I come the girl text him. Then he come up with the next one and say the girl I try prank him and she ugly, she has 16. Well, what should I do with your number then if she has 16? The girl just says she has 19. Then when me I tell the girl did a mistake. Cause me I tell the girl say him I try to tell me say I'm brother girl. So the girl say lie, don't listen to JJ, his brother is picking up for him. You hear what the girl say? The girl said she know about me. She know about me. And when me and him did vex, them link up in a September. Go back in a memory line in a September when me and King kick it off for the longest. Member say, me and King kick it off in a September. Me and King never did a talk. Every bookings me go King dead. My bookings were did October 3rd. October 28th. October 20 wait. Come let me move too fast. September 28th. Me have a bookings in a New York. October 3rd. Me have one in a same New York. Remember say me and King never did a talk and that's why I don't come at the bookings September 28th. We just start click back. I doing them time they in a September and fucking girl. The girl said she know about me. But them the time that me and him did vex. Notice what me asked her say. So what is the reason why you guys stopped talking? You know what she said? She said cause I saw you guys back together and I'm not the type of person to what she say? Only here. And that with Uno about door left, man. Me not pick up for no so good, man. And the girl me believe. And she me believe. Me not believe no dirty, man. That's why man can't always fuck pa uno. You take them back for them come fuck pa you again. Next thing him go marry that pa you. I have to leave. I don't want you nothing else. Go on. Me don't see what me say. You done fuck already. And the girl tell me say you fuck her without boots. And I believe you look like a type where we walk and just fuck anybody without boots. I say stay. Me and him have the conversation there already. You know, so I don't know why I get up one day and say, if you was to cheat, would you use boots? Oh, definitely. From one day, I kind of ask the boy some question. It's like I just didn't know something not go on. Ask him. I ask him. But should I ask her why I'm bedded? Cause I'm bedded a black. Ask her why the bedded. You have to know the bedded. See if she gonna answer me. But should I ask her why the bedded? I not ask her that. Me know the bedded. As me go, me know a bedded. And at one time I go down there. If you go fuck one man, you must remember what bedded. You must remember how the boil room look. Him have one little kitchen. Him have a black couch. Him have one next little black chair over there, so with the laptop them there. And then him have the mirror over there, so with him picture up on the mat. Him have him bathroom with blue lights in there. And him have him bedroom with him black bedded. She have to can me see her go on. Woman are not foolish. She already told her part, leave her alone. I leave her alone. She don't believe her. She watch the live. Yeah.